Batch of ribs all prepared and ready to go on. This is a new lovely Jubbly trailer. So these are spare ribs, right?
Yep, these are very fresh prime spare ribs. Good quality meat. And it just means that if they don't turn out that good, it's my fault.
Ribs are going on.
Good. Giving them a butter bath.
Yeah, looking good. These guys. We're going to hear some generators here, but can't do much about that. Hey guys! You alright me videoing? Are you okay with me videoing? Great, thank you.
Just for you?
Yeah, just private, yeah. I have a little YouTube channel I put stuff up on. Yeah. Nice, very nice. Thank you. What's that?
I said, other than the truck, we're finally the majority shareholder.
Very nice. Looks great.
YouTube channel or something?
Yeah. Yeah, it's actually a motorcycle channel that I put all kinds of stuff on there. So yeah, I like that. It's nice. Thanks, guys. Have fun. These guys were winners at the last competition we went to. Good, thank you. We were. Wow, look at that. Awesome. Thanks very much.
You bet.
Appreciate it. Enjoy the day.
You too.
First.
Sure, go for it.
Yeah, but great, thank you. Oh man, look at those. Yeah. Doesn't get any better than that. Great, thank you very much.
No problem. Have a good day.
Thank you too. Looks great. I like that. Thank you. Enjoy the. Thanks for letting me video it. Say, go ahead and give us a little. So where are you guys from?
We're from Platteville, Wisconsin, southwest Wisconsin, just 20 minutes east of the Mississippi River.
Awesome. You got to come check these guys out.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks for being here today.
Thanks for your time. Enjoy it. Have a great day. Thank you. Very nice. Oh, what's that? Oh. Oh.
make sure that you have that too.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you, really appreciate that. I'm gonna have to get this on the video. This very nice lady very kindly gave me a barbecue sauce. I'm now excited to try. Thank you. This is fantastic. Where are you guys out of?
Up by Applewood.
Yeah.
Okay, cool, cool, very cool. You guys got a huge kitchen here. It's great. Guys, mind if I video you quick?
Oh, that's perfect.
Great, thank you. Got a nice setup. All right, we've got two beautiful steaks, seasoned, buttered, ready to go on the barbecue. Lovely Jubbly BBQ's been guiding me all the way, my son Mitch. I have a little bit of experience with steaks, so I'm looking forward to the outcome. Once we get them on the grill, we'll come back. See you in a bit. What we're doing here is we're going to sear them right over the chimney, put the grill on top, we're going to flip them, then we're going to spread the coals, finish them.
7 minutes away.
All right, flip time. Now, normally you'd be looking for a crosshatch here, but it's not required by the judges, so we're not going to do it. They want a supper club steak. Now, you could do that in a cast iron skillet. I know some of the competitors have got cast iron skillets with them. We don't have that, so we're just going to do it how we got it. Both sides are seared nicely. You do the fat cap.
The other one doesn't
I
even
only
have
have one
That
pair
one doesn't even have
of-
one. Oh my gosh, the color on that fat.
All right.
Oh,
All right, so we're going to spread these out now. Put the steaks right on top and give them a few minutes aside. Right, need some foil because I got a feeling these are done. If they hit 140.
Oh,
Trouble. Stop. We've got to stop.
yeah, they're done. They're done. That one's not.
Okay.
Hold on. No, that one's got to go back on. This one's done.
Okay.
These.
Stop.
Yeah, they're done. They're done.
Resting
Yeah,
time.
they're good. They're good meat.
Resting.
This might be the good one. I think this is the perfect medium.
Okay, we got it then. Okay, we're taking the steak. It's in the box. Seen it cook. Now we're taking it to the judges.
Fire going on in the upper area.
Okay, so then I do like. I don't need to know you. I just want you to stay. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, for sure. This is your ticket. Do not lose that because that is how you're getting paid and the prize.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
A little more rub. Some fresh honey. And a nice spritz of apple juice. Get some real good moisture in there.
What's that spritz you use? It's full.
It is high quality apple juice.
Lots of butter. Butter.
Alright.
I gotta put a mature one on it.
Sweet grapes. Good. Nope. Good ribs. I got a smoker move.
What do you know at? Come here. Can I get something to eat in the...
It looks good.
Oh,
Smells delicious.
yeah, that's good, babe.
Right, so this is the joys of competition cooking. You've got to be ready when they say you have to be ready. minutes.
Tee-hee.
Until results are in, the pressure's still on.
I'm just winding him up.
Because that decides if you're going to go.
Did he win yet?
Good job, babe. Showtime. Right off the smoker right now. We're getting them ready to present.
Danny, come in. I need a box.
Sauced up.
Board
Mitch
sauce.
is doing his sauce.
Do the board sauce. It helps your meat not stick to the board, which means that the sauce that's on the ribs stays on the ribs.
Well, he thought it was funny.
Let's cut this baby up. Let's cut this baby up.
Can you get 6, Mitch? Grab one off the...
Oh, this is good. This.
That one looks okay. That's fine.
I'm worried about that.
What?
The bone,
Yeah.
bone hanging out.
But look at the other side. Yeah, it's fine. Perfect. Use it.
Well, that's up to you, Mitch. Your call if you want to grab one
Do
off
you
the
want it
grill.
wiped?
It's live
Is
as
the
it's happening,
thermometer
folks.
still out there? Yes. Kelly, can you open that lid for me, please?
Good.
Kelly's right.
Good. What about this one?
You haven't got enough
That's
meat.
better.
Got a shiner
You've
too.
got enough meat on it.
The other one looks better.
Yeah, the other one does look better.
Alright, let's get ready for turning.
What do we at time?
You've probably got about 7 minutes. It's 2:23.
123.
1:23. Sorry.
Did you get the glare on, Biddy?
Missed a whole other turn.
I got the same glare that I used to give them when they were little.
It's fine, just go. I don't care. Just turn it.
Rib turn in time. Give Mitch a chance to unwind. A little bit stressful, but we've done in the video. You can see how it works. These are really fun events, but cooking is cooking. If you don't get it right, it gets stressful. I've learned this time. I didn't have to tell you who you were.
Yeah, but now I want to know who you are.
Oh,
No, with me, trust me, you can't win. There's your ticket.
We'll
That's the
try
red
one.
ticket. Don't
Hey,
lose
good
it.
luck.
Thank you very much.
Good luck.
I'm gonna miss the announcing though.
okay, so.
Hey guys, Mitch with Lovely Jubbly BBQ here. We're all done for the day. Waiting on awards now. It should be about 3:30. I don't know what time it is now, but however much time between now and 3:30 is how long we have to wait. Got the smoker cooling off now, getting ready to start packing up the trailers. Once everything's done, we can load the smokers up and get out of here. Feel pretty good about the day overall. Steak turn-in was great. Rib turn-in number 1, I wasn't too much of a fan of, but we'll see how it turns out for the judges. And rib turn-in number 2, I was very pleased with. So overall, pretty good day. Just get ready to pack up, head home, take the long trip home. Hopefully with a smile on my face.
So tell everybody where you got your meat from too.
Oh yeah, got my meat from Piggly Wiggly actually, and it was Prairie Fresh Prime spare ribs. So trimmed it down St. Louis style, and then, well, you can see the rest from the other videos. So yeah, pretty good.
Good job, man.
Good day overall.
All right, well, so that just about wraps things up for the cook. And the next thing is the judging. It's been a good day. All the banging you can hear in the background, by the way, is there's a shooting range over there. So nobody's shooting at us. At least I hope not anyway. But I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks very much.
Let's cut the